All right, so we're out at the woods today and we're working on getting some stuff done here for the campsite area. We got our fire pit ring put in. We're kind of raking all the brush and stuff off. But the real reason for this video is to give you the actual cost of the building. So the building behind us is a Northland building, and the size is 26 wide, 30 long, and the sidewall height is 10'6". And it has one entry door, which we'll take a look at here. That's a 36-inch door, insulated with glass. And then if we come along the north side of the building here, we got two windows, which are both insulated. And there's also a window on the east side that is also insulated. Also on this side, we have, if you want to call that a porch or an overhang, so that comes out 6 feet from the building and it is 10 feet wide. And it also has concrete, so it has a concrete pad in here as well. You take a look inside the building, nothing's insulated. The overhead door is 9 foot high and it is 16 wide. And I do got the tractor in here. The tractor looks really small inside this building. I don't know, I might have to get a bigger tractor, I'm not sure. So that gives you an idea of what the building looks like inside here. And like I said, we're gonna go through the actual numbers and cost of everything here. And the concrete and finish. So it does have fiber mesh in it. It does have rebar in it as well with a vapor barrier. And you can see the materials on the wall here, 2x6 girts. There's some bracing coming down. And the building is on 10-foot centers, so between each post is 10 feet. That's what it's spanning. And we got 2x4 purlins. So let's take a look at the numbers and see how much this cost. All right, so the cost for the building, and that's the materials and labor to put the building up, is $25,967. The concrete, which includes the slab inside the building and a 6x10 sidewalk or porch outside the building, was $5,529. And that concrete is 6-bag mix, 4 inches thick. It has fiber mesh and it has rebar in it. The excavation and prep work for the site, so that's not taking down any trees, it's just the actual groundwork, compacting, bringing in 2 loads of breaker run gravel for the driveway, and bringing in fill to level out the site. That was $6,904.44. And then the building permit to make it all legal for the town here, that was $30. So the total for the building, so the total cost for the total construction, I guess, would be $38,430. So in my mind, I had a budget set of $30,000, and I thought that would have been more than enough to get it done. Parts that I underestimated would have been the excavation. I was thinking that was going to come in at like maybe $2,500 for that. I was a little surprised when it came in at almost $7,000. So I mean, they did a nice job, nice work, and there were 32 stumps that they took out. So maybe, you know, that's part of it, but I thought that was a little more than what it should have been. The concrete, I figured that would be closer to 4, but I know with the price of everything being what it is, that it was going to come in a little bit higher. So before I put in the rebar, and they also put like a vapor barrier underneath, it was closer to, I think, it was closer to about $5,100. So I think they charged me $350 for the rods and the plastic. So there's a little bit more. So we were closer to 40 than we were 30. But I think it turned out okay. It seems like everything's all right with it. So that gives you an idea what the building cost was. I can tell you the builder said the price I got on this building was the best price you're going to get for the year. They run a special in early spring if you get signed early. I don't know, like I said, it was like $2,500 off the price of the building. So right now you can't get the same price. So that's the cost and everything for the building. All right, so we were wrapping it up today. Pretty productive day. We got a lot of stuff moved around. We, like I said, we did a lot of raking and stuff, just moving branches and trying to clean the stuff up. I think our thought is we're going to get the camper out here and kind of lay it out just to see how we want it. And I might do some basic wiring inside the shed, just that I can hook the generator up, maybe to run some lights and an outlet or something. So just some basic stuff. I'm not sure about pulling in power at this point. So other than that, that is going to be it for now.